Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your accessibility checklist into Axe DevTools workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Axe DevTools interface in your web browser. Log in to your Axe DevTools account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project where you want to transfer your accessibility checklist. Locate the existing checklist you want to transfer. Open the checklist and review its contents to ensure. Now, switch back to the Axe DevTools interface. In the left menu, click on the Issues or Findings section. Here, you will see an option to create a new issue or finding. Click on this option to begin adding items from your checklist. For each item, start by entering a descriptive title based on the checklist entry. Next, include a detailed description that outlines the specific accessibility. Make sure to reference any relevant standards or guidelines connected to the issue. You can also add steps to reproduce the issue if necessary. Once you've entered the necessary information, save the issue. Repeat this process for every item on your accessibility checklist. For complex issues, consider attaching relevant files or screenshots. After all items have been entered, prioritize them according to their severity or impact. Utilize the tagging feature to categorize the issues effectively. If applicable, assign team members to the different issues for accountability. After all issues are logged and organized, schedule a review session to discuss them with your team. Be sure to monitor the progress of each issue through the Axe DevTools dashboard. Regularly update the status of each issue as your team works through the checklist. This streamlined approach will help ensure that your accessibility standards are met effectively. Finally, remember to periodically revisit and update your checklist in Axe DevTools as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.